magandang buhay, magandang araw, and magandang taon. O, di ba? For today's video, I just want to uh, appreciate or congratulate ang aking mga ka-team power for celebrating the 2 years anniversary being with Team Power, supporting each other. Gusto ko lang mag-speak in behalf ng ating ading admin Ibagolin, Igorot Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa lahat ng members ng Team Power. I really do appreciate. Alam ko na from the very start, we're so active sa ating Team Power. At hanggang ngayon, andyan pa rin kayo na sumusuporta sa bawat isa. Even though hindi chat box active, pero salamat pa rin sa inyo from the very start na nag-start tayo ng Team Power. I still remember small talk and small history about Team Power. Ito yung team na ating nabuo with our admin Ibagolin, Igorot Mix Vlog, and ang ating founder, Ate Roma Jessie. We can still appreciate your time and effort sa ating Team Power creating this group at pag-join ng mga members na ating sinuportahan for that past 2 years. Imagine, nakarating tayo ng 2 years and still alive pa din ang ating Team Power. At gusto kong magpasalamat dahil alam ko, nakita natin at nakita ko na noong time na kasagsagan ng ating pagiging active sa Premier Attack, you have given all your support, you have given all your efforts. And syempre, alam natin na ang realidad ng buhay, it's not only YouTube. And I really appreciate and thankful ako kasi nagkaroon pa rin kayong time up to now, November 13, 2023. And the Team Power is created November 13, 2021 by our very own admin Ibagolin, Igorot Mix Vlog, and truly yours. Salamat sa tiwala, salamat sa buong puso niyong pagtanggap na yung ating GC, yung tulad ng sabi ko, ang ating Team Power, lahat tayo busy as all we know na back to normal ang lahat, busy tayong lahat sa ating mga buhay-buhay, sa ating mga trabaho, sa pamilya, and everything we have in life. And we have still the time, we have still the effort to play back to normal life. Pero nandyan pa din tayo to support ang ating playlist. From being active to premieres, being active to Premier Attack, at naging unti-unting naging slow down na back to normal ang buhay ng bawat isa. Nagiging playlist na lang yung sinusupport natin. But still, I am so proud. I am so proud and happy and still looking forward for your support sa ating playlist. Dahil ako man din ay alam ko din sa sarili ko that I've been too busy for what's happening into my daily life sa ating trabaho at sa ating suporta. Hindi ko nga din nagagawang masuportahan kayo on the chat box. Pero pag may time, makakasupport ako. Lalo na kung maaga yung ating premiere, ganun. Yung mga live nyo, karamihan, hindi ko napupuntahan yung mga live nyo. But still, I'm so happy kasi nandyan pa din kayo. At hindi kayo hindi kayo sumusuko mismo para sa inyong mga YouTube channels. At sa ating mga kaibigan at nasa Team Power pa din na alam ko na um, naglaylo, alam ko nandyan pa din sila, and Team Power is always open at magsabi lang po kayo, and I'm so much and appreciate your support. Tulad nga ng sabi ko, lalo na nung nag-join support tayo, nag-join playlist tayo sa isang sa kabilang team, and I thank you. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart na pinagkatiwalaan tayo ng ating admin Ibagolin Mix Vlog para humawak ng GC na ito. And God bless you everyone, and hopefully in praying na patuloy pa din nating i-update ang ating mga YouTube channels para hindi sayang yung effort ninyo. And thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the trust, and of course na lagi kayong nakakaintindi sa inyong smiling face. Na lagi nyong naiintindihan si Naisem kung hindi ko binababa yung checklist. But still, I'm checking the proof. At sana magkaroon ako ng time, at saka yung ating mga gadgets ay limited na. So I'm asking for your understanding, long understanding. Salamat Team Power, and of course sa mga makapapanood nito, I've been keep inspired and inspiring other people na I continue to inspire other people, hindi lang yung aking Team Power na kahit na busy tayo, we gonna update our YouTube channels. And again, once again, I'm so happy sa ating anniversary, second year anniversary. Maraming nagbago, pero andito pa din si Smiling Face na patuloy na sumusuporta sa inyo. As long as I can, Team Power, thank you so much. Ating admin Ibagolin Igorot Mix Vlog, Ate Roma Jessie, at sa lahat ng Team Power members from the start up to now, yung mga old at saka yung mga bago ngayon. Thank you so much for all your support, lalong-lalo na yung mga active na nagpi-play ng ating playlist. Thank you so much, and wishing you all well, at importante ay nasa mabuting kalagayan tayong lahat. And Smiling Face channel na Isam Ngarupa is always here for all of you. Team Power, I love you all. At may mga concerns tayo, nandito lang ang Naisem Ngarupa, nandito lang si Smiling Face channel. Thank you so much again sa tiwala, sa patience, sa understanding, at sa pagmamahal sa ating Team Power. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and may God bless you all sa lahat ng members ng ating Team Power. I cannot name you one by one. So much. Thank you so much, Team Power. Pasensya na kayo kung mahaba yung sinabi ko. Once again, happy second year anniversary, and magbago man yung panahon, magbago man yung taon, I hope you are still there, at patuloy tayo ding lumaban, ayan, sa ating mga pag-upload and pag-update sa ating mga YouTube channels. God bless you everyone, and I hope everyone is well. Thank you so much. I love you all, Team Power. God bless everyone. At sa lahat ng manunood at sumusuporta sa bawat channels. And not only for Team Power, sa lahat ng manunood namin, sa lahat ng supporters namin, sa bawat member ng Team Power na sinusuportahan ninyo, thank you so much. Every community, thank you so much. God bless everyone, and this is Smiling Face channel, always saying, anuman ang pinagdadaanan sa buhay, anuman ang pagsubok na dumating sa iyong buhay, always smile, para ang buhay ay magaan. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Smiling Face channel, signing off. Bye!
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me